Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to use Canva on Android as a beginner. If you are not sure how you can get started with Canva on Android as a beginner, then here is how you can easily do it step by step. Step 1. Downloading and launching the app. In order to start using Canva on your Android device, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your Google Play Store. Now, go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Canva. Soon after, you come across the Canva design photo and video application in the search result. Click on the install button to start downloading and installing the app. Step 2. Signing up for Canva. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to launch Open Canva application on your Android device. The next step is to now start creating a new account. On the welcome screen of Canva, you can choose to sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, Microsoft, Clever, or with email address. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Continue with Email option. On the next page, type in your email address you would like to start creating an account with. Once you type in an email, click on Continue. On the next page, you will need to create a username. Type in a username for your Canva account and tap on Create Your Account. You will now need to verify your new email address. Enter the code that you received via your email and you will receive a verification text code in it. Enter the code exactly as it appears on your email inbox and you will then be able to create a new account for Canva. Answer some of the questions along the way and there you have successfully created a Canva account and you are in the main homepage. Step 3. Familiarizing yourself with the interface. Once you've signed up for your Canva account, you will be presented with various design templates. These templates covers different categories like social media posts, presentations, posters, flyers, and much more. Tap on the template that suits your need and you can now start customizing your design. Step 4. Customizing your design. Once you've selected one of the templates, you can now see various tools to customize your chosen template. Tap on the plus button at the bottom left corner and then select Design option. Explore the variety of design elements and tap on the one you would like to add to your design. You can now customize the text font's size by choosing the elements at the bottom of the screen. You can also download your designs once you are done with it. Tap on the little share icon at the top right corner and then you will be able to either download the design or share it with others using the options on the screen. You can explore other editing tools offered by Canva, such as background, to change the background of your design, effects to add filters and effects, and much more. If you want to go ahead and edit your account settings, simply go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. From the menu button, you can access your account information, edit your security settings, messages preferences, and others. And there you have it. You have now covered the basics for Canva. That's a quick wrap up for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.